Okay, in today's video we are in a cemetery, as you might be able to see in the background. But what makes this cemetery special is there is a region of it, a section, that is dedicated to Jewish-only people. So this is the only Jewish cemetery in the heart of Karachi, Pakistan. And I'm not entirely sure why it's here, but my hopes, our hopes in today's video is to find out more information. Stay tuned.
Yes, we are heading towards the cemetery of Jewish cemetery in Karachi, and not a single person or people know about this cemetery in Karachi.
Technology.
Yeah, this is the power of technology. Yes.
It won't read at all.
Yes. You have to be careful because you are not wearing the full pants.
Yes. So this is 1936 at the age of 55 years old. Age 34, died 1920, October 30th, 1920.
Saying that our ancestors, this is the land of our ancestor, and we have given this land at that time in 2 rupees and 5 rupees to these people so they can have the graves over here. So from his family, this is the land of his family. Right. You can ask him any questions.
How many bodies are buried in this area?
ये कह रहे यहाँ कितने यहूदियों की कब्रिस्तान
यहाँ पे तकरीबन 250 है, 250 के लगभग है.
There are around 250 graves of the Jewish people all around here.
Do the family members of these people come to pay their respects? Have any Jewish people come to the cemetery to visit?
ये कह रहे हैं कि आज तक कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि इनके किसी रिश्तेदार कोई बाहर से आया हो यहूदी
वो आता था साल पे आता था यहाँ पर.
There is a woman by the name of Sadia. She came from US to pay a visit to these graves, and her grandmother was in this grave, but she is not also visiting since 1.5 years.
Okay.
और उसके वो अपना क्या ये नाम क्या एक था फिशर यहूदी था. वो आया था यहाँ पर.
He's saying there is a person name of Fishal bin Khalid. His complete name is Fishal bin Khalid, and he is also my Facebook friend also, and he is the only Jewish left in Karachi. He came here to visit and to take care of these graves of the Jewish people. He's not the relative of these Jewish people, but because of the religion, connectivity, spirituality, he came over here to visit these graves.
Right. Now, how far do the graveyard extend? I'm not seeing 250 graves. Are they going deeper? Where are they?
ये कह रहे कि 200-250 कब्रें मुझे नजर नहीं आ रही. ये कितना फैला हुआ है यहूदी. Take care of the bushes because you are on full pants.
So it says, aged 72 years. Let's go through this. In loving memory of my dear mother, I won't try to pronounce her name.
Dina Bai Berg Wakara died on Friday, 25th April 1919.
Age 68 years, wife of late Khan Bahadur. Joseph David. Okay, doctor who died at Pune on Friday, 28th of September 1917, age 72 years. May God keep her in the Garden of Eden and give rest and peace to her soul. Deeply mourned by her youngest son, Solomon Joseph B. All the butterflies are magical. All the thorns. All of these twigs have great big sharp thorns.
अरे बिल्ले मस्तिया बिल्ले ता
There is some verses also written in Indian language. It's like Gujarati or some Indian words.
Okay, here I can see it's in loving memory of Benjamin, beloved son. He was born the 22nd, 3rd month, 22nd day, 89 or 88. Born in 88 and died in 88.
Oh.
8 months old. He was a child.
Also, this is the grave of the child.
मैंने यकीन करो मैं करके मैंने जी हाँ अब साफ सुथरा है
What's happening? Translate for me.
He's saying that this place was so clean and so neat. We have maintained this place, but currently after this rainfall, it's bushes all around. We can't walk properly. He was taking care of it, but now he needs the financial support from the government or an other organization so they can take care of this heritage.
खबर तो बहुत है मैं बोल रहा हूँ 250 तकरीबन 250 लगभग इसका खबरें हैं यहाँ पर
Thank you.
ये पहले रहते थे अपना सिविक सेंटर पे रहते थे तो मतलब ये रहा कि ये पहले डॉक्टर भी थे इंजीनियर भी थे ये
He was the doctor and engineer also. You can see the vice president Jewish community of Karachi. He was the vice president.
In 1871 to 1936. So in the past, was there a larger Jewish community in Karachi?
Yes.
हाँ
ये
पहले
करेंगे
पाकिस्तान में 4 कौमें रहते थे यहूदी रहते थे पारसी रहते थे और कच्ची मेमन ये
earlier age 100 years ago there were 4 communities. One is Jewish community, other is Persian, which used to worship the fire, and that were Memon and Kachchi people, which community I belong from, the Kachchi community and the Baloch people who lives there, the community, his community.
It says, in ever loving memory of our dearest mother, it's Abraham Rubin, who passed away on the 24th of December 1963 at age 77. A light from our house has gone, a voice we loved is stilled, a place is vacant in our home which never can be filled. Imagine that the international community watches this, and a percentage of them are Jewish. What is his words to the world?
ये कह रहे कि जब दुनिया आपकी वीडियो देखेगी कि आप मुसलमान हो के यहूदियों की कब्रिस्तान की देखभाल करें, आपका क्या मैसेज है दुनिया को इस
मैं
बारे?
ये मैसेज करता हूँ कि मतलब ये रहा कि बहुत लोगों ने
He's saying, I have tried my best to maintain these graves, and people tried their best to destroy all these graves. Like they have hatred between the two religions, Muslims and the Jewish. So people want to destroy this, but he saved this. So we have this history of a rich history of the Karachi, and people come to know that Jewish people also live over here. He have buried a lady by the name of Noreen. She was a Jewish lady.
Yep.
And she was the last he have witnessed. They have buried in this.
How long
grave.
ago was that?
It's 1971 की बात है, कब की
हाँ
बात है?
उस पे लिखा हुआ है हाँ ये 71 का बाद का है यानी कि
After 1971, you can see the beautiful butterfly.
Yeah, all the butterflies. Symbolic. 12 years old.
Hana, laughter of Mr. Judah Daniel Meherdikar died on Thursday.
इसको बोलो अगर जो कुछ हमें देना चाहते हो तो यहीं आपके पास आए अच्छा टेलिनो और है नाम क्या है आपका सोले मामा
I'm risking life and death with these thorns on my ankles, but well worth it.
अरे कब्रिस्तान देखो वहाँ पर आका
And how long has this family lived here?
कितने सालों से आप लोग रहे?
हम लोग को तकरीबन 250 साल से हमारे ये
250 years?
250 years.
Okay, a long time.
Yes.
And what do the men here do as a career? What is your job?
मतलब वैसे आपके जरिया क्या कमाई का क्या कैसे
हमारा
कमाते
कमारा
घर कैसे
ये है
चलते?
कि हमारे जो हम लोग जाते हैं मजदूरी करते हैं, किसी ने काम
Other graveyard for of the Muslim community, we take care of that graveyard and we get the money from that by taking care of the graves. They
Okay.
dig the graves, they put the dead person inside that and take care all of them. From there they are earning their bread and butter. From taking care of this also in free. They are taking care.
This for free. Right. Died the 16th of October, 1952. Now you can see that there were something attached that I guess over the course of time, looks like these just fell out. Levi Solomon, and there are many more in the background. Now, has anything extraordinary happened here? Because we're on the grave site. You know, a lot of people believe spiritually that when you die, you're not gone.
Yes.
So have they ever experienced anything
Strange.
strange? It's a good word.
ये कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा
होता है तो साया कोई चीज पीछे पड़ता है हम लोग को.
He said after the sun sets, we don't visit these graves because we feel afraid. Because we feel that a shadow type things is coming backside.
Yeah. And how important do they think it is for you guys to get the money in order to clean this up? Like, to me, it's disrespectful to see the grave like this, in my eyes, right? So how important is it for them to have this area cleaned up?
मतलब आपके लिए कितना ज़रूरी है कि ये एरिया क्लीन हो, साफ सुथरा हो. We are in front of our home, so we need to clean
ये
this.
देखो
and we
है ना,
want to
मैंने
clean
पहले
this.
खुद ही ये सफाई किए थे. ये देखना तस्वीरें, ये देखो मैं खुद ही पहले सफाई करता था, बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा.
This was the condition
ये माँ है,
before.
ये मेरा अम्मा है.
This is
यहाँ
she is her mother, and they take care of. Look how
She
clean.
is his mother.
अम्मा कर जी.
Okay.
ओके.
So they clean. They clean it. You can see the clean
Yes.
with the bushes.
Oh,
And here have the picture of this
Are, yeah,
also. The
बहुत
loving
बड़ा
one. Your
है.
sister died
ये
1883.
हाँ ये
You have the picture of the grave.
बाजारों के
Check out. He so attached to it. He has the family picture with the graves.
the graves, yeah.
So attachment to this graves. You can see the old one.
मेरे वालिद साहब
His father who takes care of this grave before him.
What is this newspaper article?
Newspaper में
न्यूज़ ऑफ ओके.
news also have covered him. This is the Jewish graveyard is in danger.
How old is this?
It's I can see the date. It's
2015.
2015.
So the Jewish graveyard is still in danger.
This all detail the newspaper has covered in 2015. A person have the propaganda that we should destroy this all graves, but still they have taken care of this.
It's very good, the work that you're doing. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you very much
करेंगे मैं
for your time.
आपके सराहता हूँ कि आपने इतना केयर किया.
Thank you. So from the outside looking in, you would have no idea that the Jewish cemetery is here. I took a little bit of research and door knocking in order to gain access. But I will leave information in the description below if anybody does want to help, anyone from the Jewish community wants to help clean this up financially. You're more than welcome to reach out to my guide,
Yes.
which can then reach out to the family that takes care of this area. I think the area should be cleaned, and I'm sure it's not going to cost too much to do so. So hopefully somebody jumps up and makes a small pledge or donation.